Cats often fear human sneezes because although a sneeze seems trivial to us, it creates a sudden burst of sound that disrupts their finely tuned sense of safety. A cat builds its comfort on quietness and predictable noises, so when it hears that sharp, explosive sound with no warning, its brain treats it as a potential threat, much like the noise an enemy or sudden danger might make in the wild. This is why you see a cat flinch, run, or stare wide-eyed, trying to understand whether the sound signals real danger or just something unfamiliar. Over time, some cats may grow used to their owner's sneezes, but this familiarity never fully erases their instinctive reaction. In a cat's world, an unexpected noise is not merely annoying, it is a possible sign of danger. That is why a simple sneeze becomes, for them, a moment where curiosity, caution, and fear mix into one quick response.
Sorry. What? Oh my God.